Hello, my name is Nguyễn Trung Kiên. I am third year student at Hanoi University. My major is Tourism and Hospitality Management, and I am truly excited to apply for internship USA program. Hospitality has been a part of my life because my family own a small restaurant, and every summer I was always there helping. I would add waiter, cashier, or to order, or manage inventory, count money, and clean the restaurant environment at the end of the day. Even when the restaurant was very crowded and everyone were stressed, I still try my best to smile and keep things running smoothly. And at university, I am the leader of art. I am a leader of art, performing art of the youth union of faculty. Coordinate performance like dancing and singing, welcome guests, and have with logistical support for faculty events. And last month in October, I also worked as a collaborative tour guide on our study trip to Mộc Châu, Sơn La province, and that was a great experience to take care of my friend and teacher during the trip. I am truly passionate about hospitality, especially food and beverage rotation, because it's what I grew up doing every day, taking to guests, serving food with care, and making sure that every guest live with happiness. That is why I really want to experience restaurant, bar, or banquet operation at an international level. I know I don't have a lot of formal experience, especially in large international hotel, but I make up for it with a strong passion, the ability to learn quickly, and give my best every single day. I am a hard worker and I never give up easily. That's why I'm apply for internship in United States. I want to learn international standard, improve myself every day, and have an amazing experience that I will never forget. I really hope to get this chance to learn, grow, and represent Vietnam in the United States. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice day.